Imagine walking into a bright, modern showroom and seeing this for the first time. The ultra-shiny white 2026 Audi RS Q9 doesn't just sit there, it commands attention. Before we go any further, stay with me till the end, because what makes this SUV truly special isn't just the power. It's how Audi blends performance, luxury, and everyday usability in a way very few brands can pull off. From the front, the RS Q9 looks bold and aggressive without trying too hard. The wide stance, sharp body lines, and signature RS honeycomb grille instantly tell you this is not a regular Audi SUV. The LED matrix headlights give it a focused, almost predatory look, especially under daylight showroom lighting, where every detail stands out. That glossy white finish reflects the light perfectly, making the design look clean, premium and extremely expensive. Now here's where things get interesting. The 2026 Audi RS Q9 is expected to deliver serious performance, the kind you don't usually associate with a full-size luxury SUV. With a high-output twin-turbo engine and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, this SUV is built to launch hard, stay planted, and handle confidently at speed. Imagine pressing the accelerator and feeling that instant response. Smooth, controlled, and powerful all at the same time. And trust me, this is only half the story. Step inside and you'll immediately feel the RS difference. The cabin is driver-focused, wrapped in premium materials that feel solid and refined. RS sport seats hug you perfectly. Carbon fiber and aluminum accents add a performance edge, and the fully digital cockpit puts everything you need right in front of you. The infotainment system is fast, clean, and intuitive, designed for drivers who want technology without distraction. If interior quality matters to you, this part alone might win you over. But don't click away yet, because this SUV isn't just about speed and looks. The RS Q9 is designed to be comfortable and practical too. Rear passengers get generous legroom. The ride stays smooth thanks to adaptive suspension, and the cabin remains quiet even at higher speeds. Whether it's a daily commute, a family road trip, or a weekend escape, this SUV fits every role effortlessly. What really makes the 2026 Audi RS Q9 stand out is how balanced it feels. It doesn't force you to choose between luxury and performance. You get both without compromise. The ultra-shiny white body simply adds to that presence, turning heads without being flashy. So now I'm curious, would you choose the RS Q9 over rivals like the BMW X7M or Mercedes-AMG GLS? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more high-performance luxury SUVs.